Meaning of face powder.
Face powder.
Face powder.
Face powder.
Face powder. Face powder is a cosmetic product used to set makeup and mattify the skin. It typically comes in a loose or pressed powder form and is applied with a large brush or puff. The result of using face powder is a smoother, less shiny complexion with a more uniform appearance. It can help control oil and reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. Additionally, some face powders contain ingredients like SPF to provide sun protection or light reflecting particles to give the skin a luminous effect.